A lot has happened in the months of November and December. We have a new director of chief in Disney World. There are a lot of price increases. And I'm gonna tell you about the year 2023 because it's a wonderful and a special year. Hi everyone, my name is Marieke and I'm from Magical Vacation Guide, and I am here to tell you about all the ins and outs of Disneyland Paris. I'm going to give you a news update of the month of December. So let's start with a little bit of old news already, but Disney has a new director of chief. Bob Chapek has been replaced by none other than Bob Iger. What does that mean? Bob Chapek was a fine director of chief financially wise. He was really good at budget cutting, and I think that in the pandemic he was a fine director, but now that the customers are more central, I think Bob Iger will create magic again. And the customer experience is the most important to him. But also expect a couple of fusions of companies, because somehow the last time Bob Iger was in charge of Disney, a lot of fusions happened. But Bob Iger stated that he doesn't want to be involved with Disney. Well, he was already in retirement and he doesn't want to stay any longer than 2 years. So expect a new director of chief of Disney in 2 years. Well, now let's go back to Disneyland Paris because a lot of things have happened as well. Disneyland Paris has also suffered an incredible price increases throughout the parks. It was an overnight price increase. It was kind of shocking because we didn't have the feeling they had any plans to do so, but there were a lot of price increases overnight. Price increases of the all-you-can-eat, it was 10, 20, 30%. For example, Aqua Cafe, it was, I believe, 35 euros and now it's 40. Cendrillon has gone up by 16 euros as a sit-down restaurant, and almost every sit-down and all-you-can-eat restaurant has gone up by at least 20 to 30% somehow. And then you have the counter service restaurants. They have not gone up, but Disney has pulled something sneaky. And that sneaky, it has a marketing name. I have forgot what that name is. I'll put it here down below. But it means that you won't increase the prices. No, you minimize the quantity of the product. For example, you have a bag of chips was 2 euros, for example, for 200 grams. Still 2 euros, but they now have a bag of 150 grams. So that's this, and you probably have seen that before in your own supermarket or in your daily life, but now Disneyland has pulled that trick too. For example, in Hyperion Cafe, they have at this moment the Christmas menu for 17 euros. You had a drink, a fries, a burger and a dessert. Well, they cut out the dessert. The menu is still 17 euros, but now the dessert is cut out. You can buy the dessert separately for 5 euros, which makes an old menu 22 euros. So you still have a price increase of what, 25%? So they have pulled that little trick on restaurants too. Next year, Disney is 100 years old. The date of the 100 years celebration of the birthday of Disney is October 16th. And throughout Disney, they are celebrating 100 years of wonder, and Disneyland Paris is no exception. So what have they planned? That's quite a surprise. No one quite knows. But you can expect special activities, surprises, and meet and greets and performances throughout the year, especially on October 16th. So when does the 100 Years of Wonder start? The 100 Years of Wonder in Disneyland Paris kicks off at the New Year's Eve party with a special surprise. So if you are there on New Year's Eve, have a good time celebrating the kickoff of the 100 Years of Wonder in Disneyland Paris. Hey, you here? What do I see? You haven't subscribed to our channel yet? go do that now so you'll always be updated. As we have told you before, Disney Village is going under a complete makeover and refurbishment. It's a couple of year phase planned to get Village all renovated, with the first announcement of Cafe Mickey going into a bar, so there will be no more character dining. Also, Rainforest Cafe is also going under construction, and construction have started. As you can see, here are all these construction buildings. This is in front of the Rainforest Cafe. They also started at the Ben & Jerry's card and Cafe Mickey. In June of 2022, it was announced that Planet Hollywood would close, and now there's a date. Well, there are rumors about a date, but it will be at the beginning of 2023, and the rumor is that it will close at the January 7th of 2023, so just right after the Christmas season. So if you still want to go to Planet Hollywood in Disneyland Paris and Disney Village, this is your last chance, because the last month has just begun. Here you have it, our news update of the month of December, so you won't face any surprises when visiting Disneyland Paris December, January, or any other month following this. So we have our price increases, a change of directors, a change of Disney Village we're really excited for. So what do you think of our news video? If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Honestly, you would make our day. So go ahead and do that. And if you want to book a trip to Disneyland Paris, be quick, because in 2023 everything just gets more expensive. So book that right now. We have a couple of links from Disneyland Paris itself to guarantee you the best prices for your Disney holiday. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in another video. Bye bye.